Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to see or find out if someone has blocked you on your Facebook account. If you want to check that if your friends has blocked you on your Facebook, then first of all, you need to go to your Facebook application and follow few easy steps. Once you are in your Facebook application, hit on the menu button which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you go there, click on your profile, then click on the three dots which is on the middle of your screen. Then hit on search and search for the profile you are looking for. But if you can't find that person, then they have blocked you. But do not make sure that if they have deactivate their account. If they have deactivated, then their profile will not show. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to subscribe our channel.